Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we are going to cover the fifth chapter of our English grammar book, Verbs. So, here we'll study about verbs and the two types of verb. One is linking verb and other is modals. So, first of all, we'll understand what is a verb. Every sentence has a subject and a predicate. The most important word in a sentence is the verb. Most verbs are action words. They tell you what someone or something has done. Action can be physical action or mental action. So basically, in simple words, if in the primary classes also we have learned that what is a verb? Verb is an action word. Whatever action we are doing physically or mentally is called as verb. Like Peter sings well. Okay, here sings is the actions. Singing is the action which is done by Peter. So sings will be our verb. Writes poetry. What action he is doing? Writing. So again writes will be our verb. And acts in school plays. And acting is also action being done by Peter. So acts is also our verb. Sometimes Peter's younger brother pretends that he is a superman. Pretends matlab he is pretending to do something. Okay. So what does Peter's brother do sometimes? That he sometimes pretend that he is the Superman. At other times he think he is an alien from outer space. The verb is in bold letters and are mental actions. Okay, here pretends and thinks are mental actions. Okay, actions which he do mentally, and sings, writes and acts are physical action. In other words, a verb is a word used to denote action. It expresses an action performed by someone in the sentence. Okay, what does it express? It expresses an action which is performed by someone in the sentence. The condition of the subject, and also it tells us about the condition of the subject. Sindhu has to her credit the silver medal in 2017 in Glasgow. So what is the here has is our verb and it tells the condition of Sindhu. Okay, now we'll study about linking verb. So what is linking verb? Linking verb are verbs that do not suggest an action but join or link the subject and the subject complement in a sentence. What we have studied just now, that verb is a verb is an action word, but here linking verbs don't work as a action word, but it works as a link between the subject and subject complement. Okay, between the subject and the subject complement. Now what is a subject complement? Okay, so we know how is a sentence formed. Sentence is formed by two parts, subject plus predicate. Okay, and predicate can be divided into verb plus object. Okay, in place of object it could be complement also sometimes. Okay, now what is a complement? First we'll understand what is a complement. So suppose there is there are two sentences. We'll say Ram is a boy and Ram has a ball. In these two sentences we have our same subject Ram. Okay, so in this sentence, like first we'll look in the second sentence. Ram has a ball. Ram is our subject, has is our verb, and ball, we have ball. So what is difference between object and complement? That an object is not similar to the subject. ऑब्जेक्ट जो होगा वो सब्जेक्ट से बिल्कुल अलग होगा. राम और बॉल दो अलग चीज़ें हैं. ठीक है, राम एक इंसान है, एक लड़का है, बॉल कोई दूसरी चीज़ है. तो जब सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट वर्ब के बाद आने वाली चीज़ अलग होती है, सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब के बाद आने वाली चीज़ अलग होती है, मतलब वो क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट है. लेकिन यहाँ पे ऊपर देखेंगे राम इज़ अ बॉय. नाउ इज आवर वर्ब ओवर हियर एंड बॉय. अब राम क्या है? राम ही बॉय है और बॉय ही राम है, दोनों सेम है. ठीक है, राम ही बॉय है और बॉय ही राम है, दोनों सेम है. तो ये हो गया हमारा कंप्लीमेंट. जब व्हेन सब्जेक्ट एंड the word which is coming out after verb talks about the same thing, it works as a complement. And when subject and the word coming after the verb talks about two different things, it is called as object. Okay, now I think you are able to understand what is subject, object and complement. So what does a linking verb do? A linking verb shows the relation between the subject and the complement. Okay, like I am a teacher. मैं एक टीचर हूँ. मैं और टीचर दोनों सेम लोग हैं, है कि नहीं? मैं ही टीचर हूँ और टीचर ही मैं हूँ, ठीक है ना, दोनों सेम हैं. तो ये सब्जेक्ट हो गया, कंप्लीमेंट हो गया. विच इज आई एंड टीचर इज कनेक्टेड थ्रू विच वर्ड? एम. सो एम इज आवर लिंकिंग वर्ब. द फूड टेस्ट्स गुड. फूड कैसा था? गुड. गुड कैसा? गुड क्या था? फूड. तो बोथ आर द, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग ओवर हियर. सो इट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड द सब्जेक्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट इज जॉइंड बाय विच वर्ड? इट इज जॉइंड बाय द वर्ड taste. Okay, so taste is again our verb, linking verb. He looks ill. ही लुक्स इल. ही और इल हम दोनों सेम इंसान के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. वो कैसा दिख रहा है? बीमार, ठीक है. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेम थिंग. सो इट इज सब्जेक्ट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड ही एंड इल आर इज कनेक्टेड बाय द वर्ड looks. So here looks is our linking verb. So students, I hope you all are able to understand linking verb and what is a verb. In the next video I will be sending you about models. Thank you. Have a nice day.